Yabamenyi b'ensemo ya Abanchari niko bono BAMOCHIRE mujumbe bw'ensemo y'Omweshimiwa Charles Onchoke asogotana na chibasari hasenchera ebwendrete here y'obwane no y'obwasyoku okwana hasensemo ya suneka bakorogwa no yokabero mujumbe bw'ensemo y'Omweshimiwa Omeke niko bona atebire bunege tambakiro ya serikali yokobaburi abayiburi kubaira abariko babegire digikomi chiskuru au batabwati school fees abayiko batabwati ogosirwa kurwa sekeganja ya CDF wetera se chibasari nigeta gocha goikiranirwa n'abayiburi abange niko bono Omeke hamusabira mujumbe Charles Onchoke kubwati achinchira chiaye cy'OBORAI y'okwenekia buna chibesa chekeganja cha CDF nko bakonya chire aborkiwa abo batari kwenyara.
The 100% transition, the government is doing a good thing. The chiefs, the assistant chiefs, should actually make sure, and the clan elders, that people should go to grade 10 and that they actually get education. So it's a good policy, but again, if you don't give them bursaries, most Bonchari people are very poor. We're one of the poorest counties, constituencies in Kis County. So we want that to continue. We also want to ensure that they are also given bursaries.
Thank you. Another?
The cries of Abanchari have reached me. People are poor, they are suffering. As others have addressed the issue of bursaries, the CDF bursaries, we are asking Honorable Onchoke to hear the cry of the people of Abanchari. The policy that you cannot be given, a student cannot be given bursaries if they are schooling outside Abanchari, is a backward policy, is a policy that is encouraging poverty. Why will we get our future leaders?
Jambo ningependa kuongezea ni kwamba kwa maneno ya allocation of CDF projects. Unajua zure zetu zilifanya vizuri this time kwa sababu ya bidii ya management of the school na wazazi na wanafunzi. It happens some schools watoto wamekuwa huko wengi, na hiyo issue ametendeka one of the schools within Bonchari under Murena ward. Mheshimiwa akiulizwa watoto wamekuwa wengi, tungependa mtusaidie pesa tujenge madarasa. Mheshimiwa anasema kama watoto wamekuwa wengi wa transfer kwa shule nyingine. Surely. Watoto wamekuja kwa shule yetu. How can you advise us then tuwapeleke kwa shule nyingine? Na wameamua kuja kwa shule yetu. Kitendo kama